So, okay, another question from you. Please tell me about yourself. And you have just,
What, sir?
please tell me about yourself. You have just 50 seconds.
Yes, sir. I am Mujahid Islam. I have 22 years old. I am completed the
Slowly,
SSC in
speak slowly, mister.
2019.
Speak slowly, slowly.
Yes, sir.
Try again.
Yes, sir. I am Mujahid. Yes, sir. I am Mujahid Islam. My age is 22. I completed SSC 2019. My father name is Zirzada Amjid. He is a government servant.
Good job. Mashallah.
Yes, sir.
For instance, listen carefully. Listen carefully how
Yes,
I'm
sir.
how I'm pronouncing the word. You have to write down, right? As you have told, as for
Yes.
example, as now I want to discuss myself. Who am I? I'm Muhammad Salman, and you have to speak like slowly but in fluently, right? I am Muhammad Salman.
Yes, sir.
I'm student of BS Food Science and fifth semester from Abdul Khan University Garden Campus Mardan, and I'm 23 year old, and I have been teaching since 2020 on YouTube channel, and I have also some experience in the graphic designing field as well. And recently I have joined the graphic designing institutes where I can flourish my skill. So this kind of, you have to explain yourself with gradually. Gradually means slowly but accurately. Are you
Okay.
getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Once again, please, could you tell me about yourself?
Sir, I am Mujahid Islam. I am a student of FSC. I completed FSC in 2019. I am a student of electrical. I completed the diploma of electrician. I
Right.
am 22 years old.
Good
Yes,
job.
sir. I want to going for other for more studies to the Boron.
Good
Yes,
job.
sir.
Okay. So could you tell me about your father? What his profession?
Yes, sir. My father's name is Zirzada Amjid. His profession is a government servant in Taktabai, TMA.
Good job.
Sir,
What's
my
about
father's age is 50.
how old is he?
Okay.
How old is he?
Sir, he is old, 52 years old. My
Okay,
father is
good.
52 years old.
Good. And how many siblings do you have? It means that how many brother and sister do you have?
Sir, I have 5 sisters and 4 brothers.
Good. Are you elder than all?
No, sir. First 2 brothers are elder and 2 brothers are youngster.
Okay, so those brothers which are elder from you, what are they doing?
Elder from me.
Yes, yes.
Sir, the first brother going to UK, and the other is master in the
Listen. You give
Yes,
us
sir.
a response like your my elder brother went to US like this. Went to US.
Yes, sir.
Right? वो
Yes,
गया
sir.
है, वो
My
गया
elder
है.
brother.
He went to US.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My elder brothers went to UK, England, and the other brother completed master in biology. Now he teach in a private college, and his academy of students he teach in academy.
Okay, good job.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and could you tell me about your small brother, as and maybe he's study in career college? So in which class he read, and could you tell me about himself?
Sir, my younger brother is going read. My younger brother is read in Mangat College, Cadet College. He read in class 9. Now he promoted to class 10.
Okay, good job. Okay, now turn to move the Saifullah, and I want to ask to become in future. What you have the future plan? Hello.
For me,
Yes, yes, I'm asking from you.
yes, sir.
What will you become? What you want to do in future? What you
Uh,
have the future plan?
sir, my future plans that I want to win the England for
Mhm.
more studies and work. I support his family.
Good job.
My younger brother, my younger brother are reader nowadays. I want to support his brother and help his father for
Mhm.
for all सर लगा हेल्प को कम मैं अपने बाप की हेल्प करूँ ताकि उसको आसानी हो
And
उसमें
I
उसकी
have, and
हेल्प करूँ उस
I
घर के
will
चलाने
have
में
to help. I will have to help to my father, and because of that, he is aged. You can say like he has aged, and now he has neared the retirement. So I want to help, and I want to give the rest for the all life. So for that reason, I want to go for the abroad.
sir.
Are you
Yes,
getting my
sir.
point?
Sir, I want to help. Yes, sir.
Mhm.
I want to help his father because he aged. Now he सर नजदीक के लिए क्या आता है
Near, near,
रिटायरमेंट के नजदीक है
near.
yes, sir. He near to retirement. I want to help invest in all other बाकी जिंदगी के लिए सर क्या थे जैसे
Rest,
I
rest of life. After the retirement, I want to
sir
give the some relaxation. Mhm.
yes sir.
Mhm.
I want to some relaxation to his father because
Mhm.
he are very tired to read him and all family supported. He very tired of it
Mhm.
is all very difficult things that he supported all family. One man
Definitely,
can support all
definitely.
family. It is very
Good
difficult.
job, good job. Okay, another question I have from you. That's when you will be go to US. So what would you were the vision are there? It means that's what you want to do in US. Rather you are you will be take care of your studies. Rather you will be go for the job. So is it complicated to do in each time? So how will you adjust these situations?
Um, sir, I can't understand your question.
My question is
Uh,
that if Allah wants, then you will go to US, is right? And then and as
yes,
you said,
yes, sir.
I want to focus on my studies, and also I will join some department for getting earn money. So how is it possible you can adjust both of them?
Sir, I will try. I will try to adjust both of the. Then I study hard. Then I can job part of job for himself so that I can support it, his family. Sir, I try. Will.
Good job. Inshallah.
Yes, sir.
Inshallah. There's a good opportunity as
Inshallah,
you
inshallah. Sir,
inshallah. Mhm.
sir, I think I try to to
Mhm.
speak quickly and सर क्या कहते हैं ना मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मेरी इंग्लिश भी ठीक हो जाए कोशिश कर रहा हूँ ये सर
Mhm.
ताकि मैं साफ बोलूँ
I'm still affecting to improve my communication skill, and I want to learn the English language. Like instead of you
यस
have
सर
used this kind of sentence, please explain as I told to you.
सर sir I want to forget sir
I want to
to
improve, I
um,
want to polish, I want to
improve
flourish.
I want to improve his communication has communication skill I
Mm-hmm.
want to improve his communication skills and
Mm-hmm.
study more that I can um, uh, um, improve his English language
Good job.
because English is very important for
Okay.
every
Mm.
more countries and
Good job.
everything because English is intelligent. Sir, don't mind.
As you told me this, I want to improve my English. So for that, you have to need more practice. As Majid sir has told to you, have to do more practice, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, I try best that I
Mm.
improve his language. Sir,
Good.
I will try.
Inshallah and mashallah, and you are speaking well, and you are very better than to as compared to another students. Because of that, you have space between your academic record, and then you have junior electrician professional. So by the grace of Allah, you have to speak very well and good opportunity. You have to improve your communication skill and verbal language or non-verbal language. All right.
Inshallah. Inshallah. Sir,
Okay.
it is all because of you, sir. It
No.
is all because of you, sir. I have no English, sir. I can't speak more language English. Then I will best English and improve. I see that improved my English language, my
Inshallah.
speaking. Yes, sir. Because
Inshallah.
of you, sir.
Inshallah.
Sir,
No,
it is all of things of you,
in a
sir.
form of we are just in a form of as your brother, as you consider a mentor as well. But as everything is depend on your endeavors mean that you are affecting and how you are eagerly and how you are fickle to learn something and English language. And Mujahid